Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Kryzia Chapman, and if you don't know me, I make videos simply about like things I learned from watching Gary Vaynerchuck talk on stage and Tai Lopez, and little tips that they give you in these videos to help you um, get to where you want to go as far as your business and how to market yourself, and using social media platforms and anything that can help you like become wealthy and get to that point in life where you feel like you made it and you're no longer struggling for money. That's what I'm here to do. So basically, a little background info. I said this on my last video, but just in case you haven't seen any of my videos and this is your first time watching, what I basically do is like I sit here and I watch like as many YouTube videos as I can find on Gary Vee and Tai Lopez and other influential people that I know are doing really well, and I try to write down some tips that I learned from them. Now, on the last video, I talked about some of the notes I have here. I talked about hustling as a tip, living a simple life once you start making some income, and time management. And time management is like super huge, and I actually put that into practice today. I woke up a little late. I want to say like around 10, maybe 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I decided to start blocking out my time slots. So I have a Facebook group called Hustle Your Way to Freedom, and I run a book business through my own website. So what I did was I told myself I'm going to market on every social media platform, but I'm going to do it in like little 20-minute sessions. So when I woke up this morning, I went online and I set my timer on the phone for 20 minutes each, right? And I'll start posting on social media. Like, for example, I posted on Facebook for 20 minutes, and then I went to LinkedIn and I posted on there for 20 minutes and worked on the profile information, bio, stuff like that. And then I went to Instagram and I did the same thing, another 20 minutes. And then after that, I'll take a little break, right? And then I'll come right back to it and I'll just keep working at it, right? So I did it for both the book business and for follow, what is it? Hustle Your Way, whatever. I'll put the link at the bottom. It's a brand new group I just started. But you guys are welcome to join and check it out if you like. Okay, so today's tips, I'm gonna give you 3 more. And then I'm gonna leave you with those 3, and we'll see how you do. I want you guys to come back to me and leave a comment and let me know how you did, right? Once you put these things to work, okay? So, let's see. Okay, it's pretty awesome because the first one I have on here is social media, right? Using every platform of social media possible is gonna get you out there. It's gonna get you customers, it's gonna get you noticed, it's gonna get you seen by a lot of people, and that's what you want. Social media branding is a way to build trust with customers, and once you build that trust, then they'll feel more like they can make a purchase from you, whatever it is that you're selling, right? Okay, so that's tip number 1. Now number 2 is read books, and I mean like a lot of books, like any book that you can find that you think might help you with like marketing or social media or motivational stuff. And you don't have to necessarily read cover to cover. What I like to do is like I'll go online, right, and then I'll look up summaries for the books that I'm interested in, right? And I'll just read about it and I'll learn something from there, and then I move on to another book and then another book until I feel like I'm pretty tapped out for the day, and then I go find something else to do. Okay, so let's see. We have the social media one. Number 2 is read books, And number 3 is mindset. And this one is hard for a lot of people because they've been brought up, in this lifestyle where their mindset is at the wrong place. You want your mindset to stay positive. You want to stay consistent with what you're doing, and you want to be on top of your game. Like, don't take a day off. Don't sleep on it. Don't get depressed and tired and say you want to quit. You got to keep going because you will see results if you follow these steps, but because you're so brand new, you're obviously going to see a very small amount of results. Like, okay, like for example, I posted a something on Facebook, right? And I saw that it said 1% reach, right? I was like, wow, 1%, that's it. Whoop-de-doo. Well, the next day, I saw that it reached 4 people, and then it started to reach 5 people, and it's that slow progress that's gonna get you to where you want to go, because nobody's business is going to just like be on Amazon overnight. That doesn't happen. So you have to be really patient, and you have to keep that positive mindset. Once you have that, then you have the golden ticket. And you will get to where you want to get, and you will be successful. Just believe in yourself, just give it time, and give it a lot of time, but it's gonna work, I promise you. Okay, so if you're new here, I appreciate it so much if you please just subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment, tell me about yourself. What are you doing? What kind of business are you in? I appreciate everybody that takes their time to look at my videos. Share them if you want to. If you have a friend that might, could use the advice, or if you have a co-partner, anybody, then that'll be cool. I will try my best to answer everybody because I do run a lot of social media platforms, so I have a lot of people to get to, but I will make it my top priority to get back to you guys and help you and coach you as much as I can. And if there's something that you feel that I could learn from you, or you have a channel that you'd like me to subscribe to, then I'll be more than glad to, and we can collaborate and talk about some things. I can learn from you and you can learn from me. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.